Hello everyone. In this video I will be showing you how to properly cut, weed, and heat press glitter HTV from Drucken. Step 1. You will start by placing your design in the cutting mat display. Once placed, go over to the side toolbar on the right of the screen and select the trace panel. Then press on Select Trace Area. Next, trace over the design. When highlighted, go to the bottom right of the trace toolbar and press the trace button. When the design is highlighted in red, remove the original image away from the cutting mat. Note, it is always best to place the design on the right side of the mat when cutting HTV vinyl. Adjust the design to the desired size. Step 2. When you are ready to cut the design, go over to the top right of the page and press Send. Now you will load the material into your machine. Now that you loaded the vinyl, you will want to make sure that you have the proper settings for the material you will be using. Here you will adjust the proper settings to be able to cut the material. Start by selecting the type of material you are going to cut. They already included a list of material this machine can work with. Since glitter HTV is already listed, you will select it. It is important to do a test cut before your main cut. To do that, you will head to the bottom right of the screen and press where it says Test. I am using the Silhouette Cameo for this video. When it's done, check to see how it weeds. It should always come out smoothly. Now that you tested it, you can proceed with the main cut. To do that, go to the bottom of the screen and press where it says Send. You'll be asked if you want to mirror the image. Since we are pressing heat transfer vinyl, you will select Send Mirror. Note, when cutting vinyl you may do the process without the cutting mat, but for best results it is best to use it. This will add extra pressure for a clear cut. When it is done, remove it from the cutting mat and proceed to weed the design. Note, make sure that every unnecessary piece is removed. Final step, you are now ready to press. Start by placing your garment on the plate of your heat press machine, then place your design. You will want to protect your garment from any burn stains, so I recommend to use a Teflon sheet. Make sure the Teflon covers the entire garment. I'm using a cover that acts as protector, but if you don't have one, then the Teflon is your best option. You will need to make sure that the temperature, pressure, and time are set correctly before pressing it. I will display the settings on the screen. I'm using the Lates Presto heat press machine, so it will open automatically. When it's done, let it cool down before removing the plastic. And now you are done.